Hey Johnny,
What are you doing?
I was gonna sing a song for my friends from Kırıkkale Çözüm Koleji.
Yeah? Can I join?
Of course, come here.
Oh, hello.
Hello Johnny, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, I'm just gonna sing a song for my friends.
Five Little Monkeys. I know you love that song, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.